marking and cutting of pocket for uniform shirt. As we have constructed the pattern for a pocket of a uniform shirt, we will now see how to mark and cut the pattern of shirt pocket on fabric. At the end of the session, you will be able to mark the pattern for shirt pocket on fabric, cut the pattern for shirt pocket on fabric. Let's first familiarize with the tools and materials required for marking and cutting the pattern on fabric. They are remaining piece of white uniform fabric, pattern square, tailor's chalk, measuring tape and shears. Let's see how to mark the pattern of pocket on fabric. On a single layer of fabric, we can draft the rectangle for the pocket, aligning the straight edges with the fabric grain. For that, first draw a line and mark a point 0, keeping enough fabric for the length and width of the pocket. From point 0, draw a right angle line. Then from point 0, measure 4 1/8 inch towards the right and make a mark. This is point 2. From point 0, measure 4 5/8 inches downward and make a mark. This is point 1. Now from point 1, draw a right angle line to the base line. From point 1, measure 4 1/8 inch and make a mark. This is point 3. Join points 2 and 3 in a straight line. From point 0, measure 1 inch downward for the upper hem and make a mark. This will be point 4. Again from point 2, measure 1 inch downward for the upper hem and make a mark. This will be point 5. Now cut along the drafted lines of the pocket. Thus we have completed marking and cutting of pocket for uniform shirt. In this session, we have marked and cut fabric for making pocket for a uniform shirt. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the key steps involved in marking and cutting the pattern of pocket for uniform shirt and fabric. They are: Step 1. Mark the pattern of pocket with the required measurements on fabric. Step 2. Cut along the drafted lines. With that, we have come to the end of this session.